I protect your cells from damage. Fiber cleans your system. Antioxidants keep you strong. Iron builds strong blood. Folate repairs your cells. I power quiet strength. I am cucumber. Hydration keeps you alive. I cool inflammation fast. Stay fresh inside. I am green peas. Protein builds muscle. Fiber feeds digestion. Small peas, big benefits. I am avocado. Healthy fats feed your brain. I balance cholesterol. Fat done right. What makes kale special? It rich in antioxidants and vitamin K. This nutrients protect your heart and eye. Lettuce helps your stomach signal fullness. Naturally, it aids digestion, helping you feel satisfied. I am okra. My gel-like fiber controls sugar. It stabilizes blood sugar and smooth gut lining. Add me in your daily meals. Why blood pressure matters. High levels can affect your health. My natural compounds helps blood vessels to improve hydration. Learn
Why
the
does
best
blood
ways
pressure
to
matter?
consume
High
me.
levels can affect
Hello
your health.
humans, I'm cabbage. I may look simple, but I quietly protect your body every single day. Eat me regularly and your body will thank you later. I am spinach the warrior. I fight fatigue, defend your blood, and strengthen your muscles. My iron gives you strength. My vitamins sharpen your immunity.